Hey guys, I'm Chris. Welcome to Show Me the Hogs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Texas rig for bass. So first, I'm going to start by sliding on my bullet weight. Next, I'm going to slide on a bead that will protect the knot from constantly being hit around by the weight. Now I've got a 2/0 EWG worm hook. I'm going to tie a polymer knot onto this, so I'm going to double over my line and thread it through the eye, make a basic overhand knot, and I'm going to take the loop that is created from that and wrap it around the entire hook. Then I'm going to pull everything tight. Alright, now that the polymer knot is done, I'm going to trim off the tag end. Okay, for this Texas rig, we're going to be using a 5-inch Yum Dinger. And you're going to notice on this there is a little bit of a notch. That is where the point of the hook is going to sit. So when we're done with this, the head of the worm is going to be covering the eye, and the point of the hook is going to be sitting in the middle of that notch. So by the end, we're going to be looking at something like this. So that notch is going to be there on the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this hook around, and I'm going to thread the point of the hook through the head of the worm, go down about 3/8 of an inch, and I'm going to poke the hook out the top of the worm on the opposite side of where that notch is. I'm going to thread this thing down to the head where this, so this is on worm hooks you're going to have a notch where the shank and the eye meet. So we're going to spin the worm around 180 degrees again, and we're going to slide the head of that worm over the eye like so. Now you're going to see, we're going to kind of line this thing up best we can, and I'm kind of going to go at an angle here, line the worm up, slide the point in, and then slide the point of the hook into the notch like this. And you can see that point of the hook is resting right in that notch, so whenever the fish comes in and bites this thing, this worm is going to slide down the shank like that, exposing the point. That's where you would set the hook and hopefully reel the fish in. So there you go, guys. That is how you tie a Texas rig. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to consider subscribing if you haven't already, and check out some of the other fishing tutorials on our channel. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to join our community there, we'd really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.